guys? Roxanne Kaiser, owner of Tint World, Tyrone, Georgia. We're out here at the Mph Club Rally having a blast, surrounded by amazing car enthusiasts. And I just want to let y'all know, cars are not just for dudes, okay? You come into our Tint World in Tyrone, it is a girl save friendly zone. You come in and I got you. Whatever you want done to your car, I'll be there. I'll help you. Girls want to get stuff done to their cars too. And at Tint World, we make sure that happens for the ladies. Come through and see me.
Hey guys, Jack here with Tint World. We're at Bayfront Park where all the Tint World cars, all the vehicles are lined up, and it looks great. It's been a great event so far, and I can't wait for the Seafair yacht tonight.